course, this is going to be a whispering video. They're the most common, but so I figured I would start out with them. I know personally that when I listen to whisper videos, I usually don't pay attention to what the person is talking about, but just the sound of whispering is just relaxing. So I don't really listen to the words, so I'm just gonna ramble on. I discovered the relaxing or whisper community, whatever you want to call it, a couple weeks ago. I was on Skype with some people, and whenever they would type, it just seemed like I don't like that sound, but I didn't want to admit it at all. So after I got off of Skype, I was like, you know what? I wonder if there's any videos of people just typing in a soothing way. So I typed that into YouTube, and I found a video called "The Relaxing Sounds of Typing," and I got the whole thing started. Since then, I've been constantly listening to whisper videos, page turning videos, typing, nail tapping, stuff like that. I actually downloaded some on my iPod and I listen to it at night, and it makes me go to sleep. So I figured I would do the same for you guys. Obviously, I'm gonna do the most basic ones, like, you know, everybody likes whispering, page turning, typing, and those basic things. But comment maybe on this video with suggestions for alternative routes. Like I was thinking today, like my iPod, my iPhone. If I tap it, it makes a nice little click sound, and I kind of like that. And then I also play guitar, so I've got calluses on my fingers, which should make it nice, relaxing